Hello, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Please ensure to like, share, and subscribe. And also click the bell notification in the top right-hand corner to be made aware anytime I upload tutorials or videos to YouTube. All right, let's craft together. Hey guys, today I am going to be using a product that was sent to me by Asub, which you guys know I love Asub. Absolutely love it. So this weekend I did a video tutorial on my TikTok on the holographic DTF film, and today I'm going to do the glow in the dark. Now you can get this package from Asub. You can also get it from Amazon. I'll have it linked in the description of this video tutorial. Here you have like a mixed media package, which is going to come with the glow in the dark holographic, the glitter, the clear DTF film, and this is all for DTF, a um, DTF printer or a printer that you've changed from inkjet to DTF. You're also going to need DTF ink and DTF powder to do this particular project. I'm going to be using my Epson EcoTank 8550 today, and I'm going to cure my design using my convection oven, and then we're going to heat press it onto our garment. So I'm going to be using a white 100% cotton t-shirt today. All right, so again, I will link this in the video tutorial so that you can get to it. And this is the image that I'm going to be using. And this is by a seller on Creative Fabrica. If you click my affiliate code, you'll be able to get a discount if you don't have Creative Fabrica already. Guys, I don't know how many times I have to say it, but having Creative Fabrica is a must-have because you have access to pretty much anything you need to help you with your crafting. And you know, Christmas is getting ready to come, guys, so I'm pretty sure that you want to have or cut out some of the design work, and Creative Fabrica will do that for you. So I'm going to go ahead and click on download for this particular image, and then I'm going to go ahead and so when you download the file, it's going to show as a zip file. And looks like I had already downloaded it before, but so we're just going to go ahead and we're going to right click on it and say extract all. And we're just going to extract it into the same folder. And we're going to go down and look for that particular file, which is let's see if I passed it. It's going to look just like a folder now instead of a zip file. There it is. All right, so we are going to be doing, we're going to put the bulls just want to have fun on the front of the t-shirt. So this is the design. Oh, nope, we don't want that. This is what we want right here. So we're going to be putting this on a white t-shirt. All right, so now that we have our design, we're going to go over to CAD link and we are going to start anew here. So 1 second. And we're going to get our design. And before I do that, I'm going to go to Q Properties. And I'm going to go to Media Setup. And I'm going to change this to an 8.5 by 11 because that is the size DTF film that I'm going to be using. So there we go. And then we're going to click on OK. So now I've changed my media size to 8.5 by 11. It was on 13 by 19. I'm going to click this green plus sign here, and I'm going to locate my design. Here we have it. And we're going to see if we can change the DPI to get better resolution on this image. And here it is. So first and foremost, I'm going to crop out some of this white space that I don't want. So with my image selected, I'm going to select crop. And then I get these double arrows. I'm just going to drag that over just a little bit and drag that up and drag this over. And that will take out a little bit of that white space. Oops, I messed up. I messed it up. Here we go. Hold on. It's like it doesn't want me to do the top. Do the top. Do the top. Okay, and then we're going to create. And that'll just take out some of the excess white space around it. And since we're doing 8.5 by, or printing out on 8.5 by 11, I'm going to let me see if I can change the resolution. Nope, can't change the resolution. So we're going to unlock this and we're going to say, give it to me about a 10. Let's see what that'll look like. All right, not bad. All right, and then we're just going to center that on the page at the top here. And we're good to go. So I'm going to get my film loaded. Now with this glow in the dark, you're going to have a shiny side, and then you're going to have a kind of rough side to your DTF film. You want to make sure you're printing on the rough side, not the shiny, smooth side. And there's like a little arc that'll let you know which side is the print side. But for me, I just feel the DTF film, and I know that that rugged side is going to be my print side. All right. So let me get my film loaded. Hold on one second. All right, we're going to go ahead and hit print and get this party started. All right, let's go over to our printer. All right, here we are at our printer. And with the Epson Echo Tank, it's going to lay down the color first, and then it's going to put the white on top. So you can see the color laying down first, and then the white on top. Now you don't have white ink when you're doing sublimation, and that's one of the reasons that I love my DTF, is because I don't have to worry about what color garment I'm using or the type of fabric that I'm using. almost done here. Alright, it is finished, and it is going to be wet, so you don't want to touch it. But there is our design. We're going to get the DTF powder on, and then we're going to cure it. So let me get set up. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and get our image coated in the DTF powder. And I'm just going to throw on a glove right quick. And we're going to get this baby coated. Alright, now that we have our image coated, we're going to go ahead and put it in my convection oven and cure it. So let's move over now to the convection oven. Alright guys, we're going to now put this in the convection oven for about 10 seconds and allow it to cure. And once it's cured, then you can touch the back of the design because it will be dry. And you can then press it onto your garment, or if you're selling these, you can package it for selling to someone that doesn't have the ability to do DTF, and all they have to do is press this onto their garment. Alright, our design is cured. You can touch it, and you don't have to worry about it sticking to your hand. We're going to go ahead and cut that off. And we're now going to move over to our heat press, and we're going to press this onto our garment. Alright guys, so I'm going to show you the film here. So this is the DTF film by Asub. This is the glow in the dark. It has the instructions that come inside the packaging. And then you have the way that you can tell which side is the printable side is one side is going to be kind of like a rough feel or a textured feel to it, and the other side is going to be shiny. The shiny side is the non-printable side. The textured side is the printable side. Okay, so you want to keep that in mind. That's a really quick and easy way to tell. They do also have an art on here to help you identify the printable side as well. And you always want to keep your films, you always want to keep them in the packaging until you get ready to use them. So I'm just going to throw this right back in here until I get ready to use it the next time. So we're going to do a pre-press to get out any moisture like we would if we were doing sublimation for about 5 seconds. And we're going to give this a chance to cool, and then we're going to come back and we're going to go ahead and press our design onto our garment. Alright guys, we're going to go ahead and we're going to put our image down about 3 fingers from the top. So we're going to lay it about right there. And we're going to be pressing at 320 for 15 seconds. And this is going to be a cold peel. So after we press it, we're going to allow it to cool down, and then we will peel off the film, and then we'll see what our glow in the dark look like. So we're going to allow this to cool down, and then I'll come back and we'll take that off and we'll see how the glow is on there. All right, guys, I think it's about cool enough. We're going to see. We're going to take a look. Perfect. All right, I'm going to hit it one more time. One more time for 15 seconds. And then we're going to see if we get it to glow in the dark. I'm going to go in my laundry room where it's the darkest in my house, and we'll see if it glows in the dark. All right, let's go and see. All right, guys, here we are going into my laundry room. T-shirt is hanging up. We're going to close it and see if we get any glow in the dark. Okay. That's what we got, y'all. Got a little bit of glow to it. All right, chime in the comments. Tell me what you think.